didn't see you there. I'm Kathy Rain and I'm running for president. Now, if this is a day in my life, I just wanted to show you around the school, so come on, let's go.
Back in time.
My entourage. The band is welcoming me. Where either I come for choir, I'm in a service choir, which we honor and serve veterans, so it's really nice. I'm also in drama club, so this is where we go. And also sometimes for more business related things, our press conferences are held here.
God bless the USA.
Oh, Kathy! Hi everyone, Kathy Rain here. Welcome to my vlog. Basically what's happening right now is I'm on my way to my sewing class. I just started taking this class. I really like it. Your education is very important. So that's what I'm doing right now.
4 moments later.
Now, as I'm taking a quick break on Fixing America, although technically not a break because who can actually stop from saving our country? I'm going to see what my father is up to.
This is my lovely daughter, Kathy. She'll make a great president. And she takes care of me in my old age. She will take care of all of you as well.
Yes, I will.
Vote for Kathy.
Rising up, back on the street. Vote for Kathy Rain.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in.
Thanks for watching. That was a day in my life. Don't forget to vote Kathy Rain for president. Now let's watch my election video. Hey guys, this is not. What am I saying? Now, unfortunately, in our schools, we have had many problems. You have to redo that. Ew. She's super. Oh God. Hey guys. Okay.